Eagles. Eagle. Eagle. Eagles, come visit me. Flamingos hiding way over there. I wish I had more zoom. Other types of birds of some sort. Can't see it from here. And the duck. More bird type things. Storks.
Don't move. Don't move.
It's a ferret. Look, there's two of them. Look, there's two of them.
I really need a better camera.
Aww.
Squirrels.
And they go in that little house to rest.
Everything's too far away from me. There's sleeping ones. And there's a duck. And baby ducks. Yay, baby ducks. Baby duck, baby duck, baby duck. Adult duck, adult duck, adult duck. It's a mallard. Here's other duck. Duck. Other ducks.
Did you see the one over there yet?
Geese.
Look at the duckies. Look at the duckies.
Duck face. Baby duck face. Baby duck face. Baby duck face. Mama. Wish I could zoom into the llama. It's ruffling its feathers. It's angered by me. I have angered the great bird god. It is okay. I am a falcon. I am of your kind, except not really. Aw, there has to be a chain blocking me. Oh my god, it's the evil family. They're coming to kill me. No! Kookaburra. These cheetahs are lazy. I want to ride it.
That thing that looks like a rug over there.
You take the pictures, I'll take the videos. And we'll kill both our cameras at the same time. Briar, stay with us.